Welcome to our latest video. Top product review, Crimping Pliers, Lux Meter, Mini Lathe, Power Drill, and Step Drill Bit. Today, we will be reviewing 5 excellent tools that will enhance your DIY and professional work. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Crimping Pliers Ferrule Sleeves. The Crimping Pliers Ferrule Sleeves Tubular Terminal Tool HSC8 6-4A divided by 6-6, A divided by 16-6 is a must-have for electrical work, making sure your wire connections are firm and secure. These multifunctional pliers are perfect for household electrical setups, crimping various wire sizes between 0.25 mm superscript 2 to 16 mm superscript 2. Made of durable carbon steel, they provide superior strength and reliability, ensuring long-lasting performance. With their ergonomic straight handles, these pliers offer ease of use even for extended periods. The versatile tool supports multiple wire gauges and is compatible with a variety of terminal types, making it an essential addition to any DIY electrical toolkit. Whether you're crimping ferrules or tubular terminals, this tool does the job efficiently and with precision. Its high-quality build ensures that you'll be able to work with insulation tube-type terminals with ease, making electrical connections safe and strong every time. Number 4, R&D MT30 Lux Meter. Next up, we have the R&D MT30 Lux Meter, a powerful yet compact tool for measuring light levels in any environment. Whether you're testing lighting conditions in a factory, office, or outdoor area, this Lux Meter delivers accurate readings in a wide range from 0.1 to 200,000 lux. It features a large LCD screen that clearly displays light measurement values, and it supports both automatic and manual ranging for a versatile user experience. This Lux Meter comes with a handy screen locking function, allowing you to freeze the measurements for easier viewing. Additionally, its automatic power-off function after 15 minutes of inactivity helps save battery life. The device is powered by a 9V battery, and it includes a low battery indicator, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. This product is ideal for anyone needing precise light measurements for environmental testing, construction, or even personal projects. Number 3, GOXAWEE Electric Mini Drill. The GOXAWEE Electric Mini Drill is a fantastic addition to any workshop. This 110V/220V rotary tool boasts a powerful 130W motor, with a maximum speed of 30,000 RPM, enabling you to perform various tasks such as cutting, drilling, engraving, grinding, polishing, sanding, and more. It features a universal chuck that accommodates a wide range of accessories, making it incredibly versatile for multiple applications. Whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or glass, this tool will be your go-to solution for precise and detailed tasks. The GOXAWEE tool is designed to offer excellent ergonomics, so you can comfortably work on your projects without straining your hands. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who need a reliable tool for intricate tasks. Plus, with a wide compatibility range, you can quickly change accessories without worrying about collets. Number 2, 12-24V Mini Lathe Machine. For woodworking enthusiasts or DIYers looking to create custom wood pieces, the 12-24V Mini Lathe Machine is an essential tool to have. This compact yet powerful lathe allows you to work with wood, metal, and even plastic with ease. With a speed range of 400 to 900 RPM and a chuck range of 0.6 to 6 mm, this lathe offers the flexibility you need to complete a variety of turning projects. Whether you're shaping beads, polishing pieces, or cutting intricate details, this lathe will handle it all. It also features a maximum turning diameter of 70 mm and a maximum saw blade diameter of 50 mm, giving you more freedom to work with different sizes of materials. The 12V/24V DC power mode ensures stable performance, while the compact design means you can use it in smaller workspaces without compromising on functionality. This lathe is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of woodworking or adding precision to their projects. Number 1, XCAN Step Cone Drill. The XCAN Step Cone Drill is the ideal tool for anyone who frequently works with drilling and hole cutting. This high-speed steel step drill bit is titanium-coated to reduce friction and heat, which extends the tool's lifespan and enhances its cutting performance. It comes in 3 different sizes: 4 to 12 mm, 4 to 20 mm, and 4 to 32 mm, allowing you to work with a wide variety of materials such as steel, brass, wood, and plastic. The step cone design enables you to drill multiple hole sizes with a single tool, making it incredibly efficient. Its hex shank ensures that the drill bit fits securely into your drill, while the titanium coating allows for smoother and more precise cutting. Whether you need to drill a small hole for a screw or a larger one for tubing or pipes, the XCAN step cone drill delivers versatility and high performance. The set is perfect for professionals or DIY enthusiasts who need precise, clean cuts in various materials. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.